Carbon pitting on a contactor raises contact resistance and directly undermines air conditioning performance during high load conditions. Carbon pits form when arcing erodes the contact surfaces, increasing resistance and creating localized heating that reduces current flow to the compressor. Test contacts with a clamp meter and measure voltage drop under load, aiming for less than 3 volts across the contactor when the compressor is running. Inspect visually for dark, cratered spots and feel for roughness with a gloved finger if the panel is de-energized. Clean only light oxidation with a non-conductive contact cleaner and a lint-free cloth, but never file or use abrasive tools on pitted faces because that changes contact geometry and can worsen arcing. When measured resistance or visible pitting exceeds manufacturer limits, replace the contactor and ensure the replacement matches coil voltage and contact ratings for compressor-locked rotor current. Set up a regular inspection interval before peak season and log contactor condition along with running amperage, so trends reveal rising resistance before it causes a failure. Common mistakes include assuming cosmetic carbon is harmless and leaving pitted contacts in service, which leads to compressor not energizing under load. So replace contacts that show cratered metal rather than gambling on short-term fixes. Trying to bridge high resistance with a jump wire or bypass during diagnostics, which risks damage to the compressor and control circuit. So always isolate power and test contacts properly. And installing an undersized contactor with lower current capacity, which overheats and pits again quickly. So verify locked rotor current ratings, coil voltage, and contactor duty cycle before installation and torque terminal connections to specification. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors and helps contractors find work through our project listings. We host a discussion community where members share diagnostics tips and vendor experiences related to service problems like carbon pitting.